Hi guys, this is SiggyQG35 Security. Today I will show you how to install Antivirus Kaspersky on Windows 11 X.64. Explain. To install Antivirus Kaspersky on Windows 11 X.64, you need to download Kaspersky Antivirus and running the setup file, to install online plus with key to activate Kaspersky Antivirus. To do that you should follow my instruction. First go to Browser. Click Download Kaspersky Setup File. Click icon Download. Run the setup file. Click Continue. Click Install. Click Yes. Now it's start download Kaspersky Antivirus and install too. It will take 10 or 15 minutes to complete it. After done install, click Kaspersky Apply. Click Done. Click Continue and click Next to done the setup. Click Done. To activate Kaspersky Antivirus, you should get a key. To unlock Kaspersky Antivirus with limited feature, or if you want to get Kaspersky Internet Security full unlimited feature. To activate Kaspersky Antivirus free, copy the code key to the license active. Paste it on activation code. Then click Activate. Click Switch Now. Click Continue. As you can see, it's now switched on Kaspersky Free Limited without trail days. Now Kaspersky Antivirus Free is running successfully. Click Run. Go to the license active. Go to Show Details. You have only 366 days for 1 year. Now let's switch Kaspersky Antivirus Free to Kaspersky Internet Security Full Unlimited feature. To activate Kaspersky Internet Security, copy the code key to the license active. Paste it on activation code. Then click Activate. Click Continue. As you can see, it's now switched on Kaspersky Internet Security Unlimited without trail days. Click Run. Now Kaspersky Internet Security is running successfully. Click Finish. Go to the license active. Go to Show Details. You have only 58 days for 1 month. Hopefully you enjoy the video with the guide. It's now Kaspersky Internet Security is running on Windows 11 X.64. Don't forget like, subscribe and share with yours friends. Thank you for watching.